Hey guys, I want to talk about my nerf guns. I want to say the names and then put you in YouTube. How we do this? So I throw it over here. I have the habit file. It's pretty cool. I like this gun. The cross boat. This here is my new one. The Atlas. A bow. The blazer bow. This is my other new one. Here's the trend sock. This is the favorite law one. It is Custodian. And now we do the basket right here. This is the hot sock. Jordan's parasol. The iron file. Stoyon. The same file. Other Stoyon. A jolt. Reflex. Pesach. 2 triads. A fire strike. A flip fairy. This is the, I don't know how to call this gun. It is the, I don't know. An old gun. This is the grip pistol. The falcon fire. Knife handle. I got more jokes. I got 4 of them. A strife. This is the XP 500 and the soccer shot. And now we'll do the bin right here. Now I'm doing a bin right here. Let's go back. Doing a bin right here. This is the Recon Mark II. Elite Retire. The Zombies. This is the Zombie Strike Sling Fire. Air Warriors Predator. And Wife Cut 2x4. Rhino Fairy. The Raptor Strike. Double Bleach. I got two of them. And Silk's Fire. This is XP 700 Apollo. This is the machine gun. This is the barrel break. IX-1. This is the Disruptor. This is my favorite one. The Hammer Shot. The Side Strike. I got two Disruptors. Yeah, magnets. Hey. I got two reflectors. Sapphire. I'll destroy them. A double strike. And I'll destroy them. And I'll do it short. Yeah, this is all mine. Nerf guns. I got 55. I will get more. Say guys and say get more.